Tech Show is unique in legal education because it's fun, it's cool. You get to let your inner geek out a little bit.
There's no practicing attorney, or really no one in the practice of law, who's not using technology in some way already.
You know, the model rules changed. The model rules changed in 2012, and now lawyers are required to have some level of competency as it relates to technology.
So if you're using email, if you're using cloud services, there's a responsibility, an ethical responsibility you have as a lawyer to make sure you know about the technology you're using and to ensure that you're using it in a proper and ethical fashion.
If you're a lawyer who wants to up your game on technology, this is the place to go.
You've got to ask yourself two questions. One, do you work at a law firm? And two, do you work with technology? If the answer to either of those questions is yes, you should come to Tech Show.
Would you go to a doctor that wasn't interested in learning about new technologies for their practice? Well, of course not. And I know we're not talking about life and death situations here, but you're here specifically focused on learning how to use technology much better in your practice.
For every other conference that I've gone to where I might have one or two good takeaways, it's exponentially that with Tech Show. Everything is mapped out for you for beginners, for intermediates, for advanced.
I think this conference serves a unique need because it focuses on only technology. And you can park the substantive areas of law that you need to know about and just for these days, focus on how you're managing your practice with technology. There are very few conferences like that. That makes this conference really, really unique and informative. You come out with a conference that is so different from any conference you will ever attend.
The best part about Tech Show is the people. The brain, the sheer mental horsepower at Tech Show from these bloggers and educators is just, it's unmatched anywhere.
The faculty makes themselves available. It's really a phenomenal way to talk to the experts that the ABA Tech Show Board has selected to present.
When you go to Tech Show, you meet all kinds of people. They teach you all kinds of things about stuff that you've been using maybe for months or years and never knew. Just get in the door and you've got a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips.
Every year you come away with a myriad of ideas and solutions that you can take back and implement to some degree in your firm. And that's the beauty of Tech Show.
For me, the best part of ABA Tech Show is coming away with practical, usable tips every year.
Everything you learn at Tech Show makes you a more effective and efficient lawyer. That's the piece about why Tech Show is a good business investment.
I think anyone who comes to Tech Show is going to find something here that's useful to them in their life, in their practice. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
We're looking forward to seeing you at the 2015 ABA Tech Show, April 16th through the 18th in downtown Chicago.
You can find information about ABA Tech Show at techshow.com
or on Twitter using the handle @ABA Tech Show.